Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Rocks on. He gonna jump up on there and he gonna be gone.
In half a mile, take exit 143A toward Town Center Boulevard, Town Center Drive.
There he goes, taking his privilege.
Take exit 143A.
Man, look at there. I'm racking up miles on lemonade. I got to figure out a way to stop that. Besides that, on my way back from Chicago, I got a call from my buddy John. He said he had an early Christmas present for me. Bam! Man, this is supposed to be the tool fun of all fun with breaking stuff loose. 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque on a 3/8 inch stubby. I'm glad he believes in giving people Christmas presents early, because I'm about to use this today. And he got me a battery. Let me find that battery. I think that battery was a 6.0. Let's check it out. Check it out, people. Tool only. Specifications. Fastening torque 250, busting torque 250. Brushless. About half the size and probably half the weight as Henrietta, but can do probably 80% of what Henrietta does. Let's check this out. Look at that little fella. Man, you know, a lot of your ratchets can't get stuff broken loose. This little monster here, break bolts loose. Got your adjustment there. People say they use this to even get to the downpipe bolts because of the angle that it sits at and the compact size. I'm looking forward to putting some use on this thing. I got a battery already charged up that I'll have in my air pump, so let's grab the socket, a jack, and go get a couple wheels real quick. That's something I wanted to see. Operating temperature from 0 to 125. It's about 42 degrees here, so it's not too cold to use it. Let's get cracking. It's got this mode switch. What is that mode switch about? Number 7. Let me go check that out, get the details on that. Well, it says here that that cycle switch up top controls the speed from 1200 RPMs to 1800 RPMs to 2700 RPMs, and then the auto mode. I assume that will adjust the torque, so we'll find something that we could torque on with that setting and see how tight those torques are with a strong battery. Man, and he dropped it off with a charger and a 4.0 battery. Thank you, my friend John. My phone made an update. Updated my camera. Made it difficult to start videos. I don't know why they have these bright ideas. But, man, this is how difficult it is navigating in this salvage yard here. It's like a dang maze. I seen a Volvo C70 there, the convertible one. Well, I guess most of them are convertible. But I'm looking for the C70 with these wheels on it that's on Elizabeth's new ride. So there's a 740 there. I think it's got quads on it. 850 here. I took the oil block off plate off of. Let me go keep looking for what I need so I can get it and get out of here. Oh, it had that door latch on that S70 there, and it turns out I need another door latch. Let me grab this door latch while I'm here. Grab the door latch. Needs this rear door latch. Both rear door latches on that car is messed up. And I assume it's good. It's got these vent shades from WeatherTech. Woohoo! Made in Germany. And here it comes, folks. The first screws knocked out by the new tool. Bam. Nice. Make sure that thing is seated. Make sure they're seated in there good. And I'm going to take this one loose after I unplug it. Works great. Makes stuff effortless. Whoop, whoop. I guess this is one way to get a window regulator out. Just cut the door open. Good Lord. Anyway, I need 2 of these wheels. Let me find the best 2. Find the best 2. That one doesn't look bent or peeling. Little curb rash on it. But the one on the other side is clearly peeling. Let's see what this... this one looks good, but man, that thing is in the dirt. And the tires pulled off of it. I don't like the looks of that. $240. Look like a flat hood from a 240. Nope. It's got a ridge. So, I guess it's the 2 back wheels. The one that's peeling and the one that's on the other side. Let's jack it up, get them out. I'm going to bust the lug nuts loose first, then jack it up, pull the wheel out, try to slide another junk wheel under it, then let it down on the junk wheel so it's not on the ground. This car has that special switch for the subwoofer. So this has the special audio system in it. Man, I'd love to pull that stuff out of there, but it is a pain in the butt. And it's able to bust loose some rusty lug nuts. I pulled 3 wheels with it. Pulled this one, that front one, and one on the other side. You know, I love coming to the junkyard until I have to carry 2 wheels from that tree line all the way up past that yellow truck up there to pay for them to check out. That's when the junkyard's not fun. My exercise for the day. I carried one, I got this one to go. Almost forgot that they need a color match mirror. I sold them a white mirror, but their car is blue-green, so if we can find a blue-green mirror, we're gonna do that. So let me go down here and look. I think one of these cars is that blue-green that they have. So, I didn't get the color code of the car, but I'm pretty sure I remember the color. So let's look at a couple of these Volvos to see which ones are which. Heck, I can't even find the Volvos now. Come all the way out here. Ah, there's one. I remember I put that triangle on it. That's the silver S70. So the Volvos start there and go back down there. I don't know what they do with Volvos that they get in now, because there ain't no way they can get no truck back here. Now this Volvo is teal. It's not that color. The owner called it teal, but it's not teal. The P80s are back over here. So let's go back over here where I just got these wheels. I guess I officially got my walking exercise in. It's my third or fourth time coming from down there. Probably about a quarter mile each way. And carrying tools and stuff will add a little exercise value to it. None of those are the right color. None of these are the right car, except for that white one, which is not the right color. This is black. Man, I think this is the color here, but there is nothing left of this color. And it has a little damage on it. I could probably take the back off of it. Well, I think that's it for the P80s. So this is the right color, but it's damaged. Yeah, from in here, it only got 2 good clips. All the other clips are broken off this back piece, so I'm gonna leave it. Let me check the other 2 salvage yards, see if they got one. Nope, other 2 websites don't have them either. So it's black or it's white. And might as well be white. All these black ones are nicked up, so let's get out of here. Should have checked that when I was out here. I wasted 20 minutes. We are here getting the tires pulled off these rims. And we're going to look at this Continental, see if it's still good. It looks like somebody drove it flat, which normally destroys the tires. So we're going to take a look, see if it's any good. Here, look. Okay, so we're looking at your tire, and you rode this tire flat, and it put a lot of this sidewall inside the tire. Really, that tire is no good. Should be replaced. The sidewall's jeopardized, so let me see what he can do for 2 tires. Sadly, this is only a 3-year-old tire. 50 week, 2019. Now that would make it 4-year-old. But man, it's got a lot of tread on it. But when you damage the sidewall, it really should be replaced. All this in here was damaged because the tire was run low on air. This has got a hole in the sidewall from driving it flat. Got the tire run, getting ready to torque it. It's got a spare in the trunk. We're going to put the jack back in the trunk. We're going to find a tire for this wheel. That thing's still got a flat spot. It's been sitting so long on the flat. Next thing we're going to do on this car is replace the 2 rear door latches. They're not functioning properly. May still not function fully properly when I get done, but I'm going to do what I can. Look at there, key ring stuck on that thing. Yeah, it unlocks, but when you lock it, it's working right today. That's strange. My policy is if you start having door latch problems with these cars, just replace the latch. You do not want to be in a situation where you cannot open your door. Yesterday, that thing was ratcheting like a machine gun. Today, it's acting fine. That's not good. And we lost this light last night. I seen that light there yesterday, but it's gone today. Not sure where that went. I did grab another one in the junkyard. I think that light was there yesterday. Maybe not. And secondly, he says that door speaker is bad, so I'm going to replace that door speaker. So I'm taking off 3 door panels, and I'm replacing this mirror over here. They hit this mirror on the mailbox and destroyed it. Nobody's painted it, but we're going to put it on anyway. I'm going to see if they got some flat black paint to spray it with. This battery tested 51%, so we put it on the repair cycle. It said repair completed, so this thing is probably not going to repair it the way mine does, but it is what it is. It's testing as a good battery. I got the door latch in, it works fine, and I got the child lock off on it. So I swapped the handle because the handle on the replacement lock was gray. So let me go do the door panel on the other side. But yeah, all these clips are falling off of here. I'm not sure what glue we used to put them on last time, but whatever it is definitely falling off. Maybe it was the contact stuff that I've been using lately. This door panel is all the way falling apart. So is the other one. It's one of those improvements Volvo made over the 850s. You guys with these S70s get to enjoy this improvement. Horrible. Let me go find some glue. I got 2 door panels to glue together, and maybe there'll be a third here in a minute. Getting these handles locked into these latches is a challenge. So I just finally figured out the best way to do that. Let me get this handle up here secure, and then secure this handle in this latch the easy way. All right, now what you want to understand is there's a hook on the inside of this latch. You really can't see it. Let me take the latch out so you can see it. See this? The knob from the latch has to go into there. So here's the latch, and this knob has to fit in there. So the best way to do that is to loosely place the latch in the jamb of the door in the position with about 1/4 inch of slack in the latch. So there's a hole in the door. You push something in the door against this knob, push this knob in, and then push the latch over it, and then let the knob come back with the latch, tightening those 2 screws, and that'll be hooked in the way it needs to be. So I'm come over here, see how loose these screws are? These screws are 1/4 inch play in them. So I can take a screwdriver of some sort and put it in this hole, and if you look in there, you can see that Phillips in on that latch. Really hard to see it, but there it is right there. So you push this against that, and you push the latch in, so there is no slack in that top screw. Now you grab the outside handle and you push it in and pull this screwdriver back out of the way, and the latch will go in over that pin. Now you screw these in, and you screw these in, and you should be good to go. So I throw the latch closed, I pull the handle, and I pull the latch out. I got to do that at the same time. And I was able to pull the latch out. And the handle goes back in. The latch pulls the handle in. See this right here? That little spring pulls the handle back in. So if your handle's not going back in, that spring may be loose on the latch. Man, this front panel is totally apart. So I'm gonna try to glue the panel together and then glue the clips in there and get this thing back together, man. This whole thing is just apart. I don't even understand it. It's horrible design. Maybe some double-sided molding tape would be better for this stuff. I don't know. But that's all rough. So let me scrape that off. And scrape a little bit of that off and get this together. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.